morning, classic.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, this is English period, right?
Yes,
In this English period, we are going to read a story. The title is An Old Man and what? Good. Three sons. An old man and we recite the story in music. Okay? We sing. Okay? An old man had three sons. An old man had three sons. An old man had three sons. He was about to die. He was about to die. He was about to die. He called his son too. He called his son too. Give him advice. Give him advice. Give him advice. He has to bring. He has to bring some sticks. He has to bring some sticks. He gave them sticks. He gave them sticks. He asked eldest son. He asked eldest son to break it. To break it. To break it. To break it. He was unable to break. He was unable to break. He asked another son to break it. He was unable to break. He was unable to break. He asked another son. He asked another son to break it. He was unable to break. He was unable to break. He asked all the sons work together. He asked all the sons to work together. They were able to break. They were
able to break. They easily broke it. They easily broke it. It was the story. It was the story. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. Thank you.